How's everyone doing today? This is my Bulldog Walter, and we are going to react to a video titled Dogs Whining and Crying Sound Effect. Show this to your dog and see what happens. Thought it'd be kind of funny to show him. You ready for this? He already has a little attitude, so let's see what happens. And play. Hey. Oh, hey, calm down. Calm down, big guys. Okay, let me show you guys what he's doing. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, stop running away. You can see he wants to eat my Surface Pro. He believes there is a dog trapped in it. What are you doing? You gonna eat my Funko Pop? It's like, what is this sorcery? What is that? I don't know if he likes it or doesn't. Face kind of looks like he doesn't. Hey, look at all the stains you leave on the carpet, Bub. I could see them all in here. What are you barking? It's a puppy now, Bub. You don't like it, Bub? What's going on, Bub? Is that enough, Bub? Alright, let's pause it. He didn't quite make it through the whole thing. We got 2 minutes and 30 seconds in. You good, Bub? You have anything to say for yourself? Hey, you have anything to say? Yeah, I think if he had something to say, it might be a big old F you. Hey, Bub, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Next video will make you happy, I promise, okay? Alright, guys, I'll see you on the next one. Say goodbye, Walter. Alright, later, guys.